Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and yeah, so this is going to be a giveaway. Now let me explain a few stuff. First of all, no, I'm not going to give out any model without explaining anything. I'm going to drop a video tomorrow in which I explain the result of today's giveaway. Okay, second thing, there is a link to this model inside of the description. Go to that link, take the model from there, but if the website asks you to do anything, then do not. Just wait the amount of time which is displayed there, and then you should be redirected to the Roblox website, okay? Third thing, subscribe, like, and comment to see more giveaway videos. With that being said, enjoy.